Kublish puni bibro kijing pentip nam tagi kubor light kami kai tikidon artalik pus kene kamen kong kade one assistant teacher required large sing Khongwir Memorial Presbyterian LP School Mausmai Sora kade po Sora nam tagi LP School qualification class 12 pass with 45% for ST and SC pada pas class 12 dan long 100% the 2 years DLED LP MTED compulsory mau pakai MTED bahwa dap ya dia lalu age as per government salary deficit kadai jong deficit post jong LP piap don pakai MTED ru submit application in standard form piap meneliti di standard form napo dukan xerox pendap salai submit hapo score on or before 30 August 2022 from 10 AM to 1 PM at school office pihak mana submit ha po school office mo po Mausmai Sora te kontak nomor dapai Prasaway Sanot Ruway not RR pelaban phone nam tagi jingtip bakamnya sakane ko bagar one post of assistant teacher at Rajai LP School po Rajai qualification group de class 12 pass with 45% DLED MTED kanero de jongki LP pas jong LP MTED mat bad DLED bad MTED age as per government last date of submission is 26 August 2022 to the secretary MC written test will be on 30 August 2022 and date of interview will be intimate later pilawan phone gine number nak jingte bakhamnya khandai sopra san saw new san khasan takine jingte khulejbon